Hello, welcome to Tan's Lego and Brick Builds. Today I'll be showing you how to build two spinny Lego objects. Let's start with the first one. So to build this one, you want a 4x4 circular brick. And you want to stick that on to a piece that looks a bit like this. So you just want to snap it on like this. Then you can hear a click like this. So I got this from one of my Lego sets, which was a fire engine one. Anyway, back to the video. So then you want to put two of these crescent looking pieces just in the middle, which is to make it leave a perfect square in the middle. Next you want to put a circular brick, or not really a brick but a plate, just here. Then you can put another 4x4 circular brick here. Actually wait, this was supposed to go on the bottom, so quickly. So that would go on the bottom, and you want to place a gear piece right between the studs. And now you have a satisfying spinner. The next one is actually quite good. It will massage your hand. Start with an 8-stud long axle and put any tire piece right through it. Next, you want to put two of these worm gear things just through. Then you put an axle, and not an axle but a Technic beam, a gear, and another gear. And now you have one which you can massage in 3 modes: the soft, the scratcher, and the massage. I'll quickly demonstrate how they work again. For this one, you spin it, and the next one, you massage your arm with it. If you enjoyed my video, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. I hope you enjoy it. Bye!